Artificial intelligence, once a science fiction dream, is now shaping the world around us. But how did it all begin? Today, we'll explore the complete journey of AI, from its humble origins to the cutting-edge technologies driving our future. The story begins in the 1940s and 50s. Alan Turing, often called the father of AI, asked a simple yet revolutionary question: can machines think? In 1956, the Dartmouth Summer Research Project officially coined the term artificial intelligence, bringing together pioneers who imagined machines that could reason like humans. In the early years, AI research focused on symbolic reasoning, teaching machines logic and rules. In the 1950s and 60s, Frank Rosenblatt introduced the perceptron, the first neural network model, hinting that machines could learn from data instead of just following rules. Despite ups and downs, this laid the foundation for modern machine learning. Progress wasn't always smooth. The AI winter, periods of reduced funding and enthusiasm in the 1970s and 80s, slowed research. But by the 2000s, breakthroughs in computation power, data availability, and deep learning reignited the field. Researchers realized that neural networks could solve complex problems, from speech recognition to image classification. Fast forward to today, AI is everywhere. AlphaGo defeated human champions, GPT models can generate human-like text, and AI agents assist in coding, healthcare, and creative industries. Companies like OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and NVIDIA are pushing the limits of what AI can do, from natural language understanding to autonomous decision-making. The AI revolution isn't just in labs, it's in boardrooms. Companies across the globe are optimizing operations, creating AI-powered products, and investing billions in AI research. Tech leaders are shaping both the tools and policies that define how AI interacts with society. Today, AI can generate art, write music, assist doctors, drive cars, and even converse like humans. The line between science fiction and reality is fading, and AI is beginning to augment, and in some cases outperform, human capabilities. Looking ahead, AI will continue evolving. From autonomous agents that manage tasks to personalized education, predictive healthcare, and creative collaborations, the possibilities are endless. But with great power comes responsibility. Ethical AI, safety, and governance will shape whether this technology benefits all or few. The future is being written now, and AI is at the center. Subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology.